I just spent about fucking 20 minutes there shaving all these fucking beautiful tatties. Yeah, because I went to use up my bag, but I'm going to put these in the freezer. I'm going to chop them up and put them in the freezer. But you know, this is what I'm doing the video for. Because usually, see with the peelings, I just throw all this shit away in the bin. But somebody told me, no, you can fucking have them like Chris Camden. You can put them in the air fryer. You can fry them and put a bit of salt and it's nice. Instead of going waste, because I have got the rest of that shit in the bin there, you know. It's on the bin, you know, fucking. But halfway through I says, you know what? I'm going to try this, see what like it is. So millions of peelings here. And I say, you know, instead of all going to waste, we'll see what like it is. So as I say, chopped up all the fucking tatties. We're just going to stick them in here. That's a big tip of everything. We'll put a wee tiny bit of water in. We're going to stick them in the freezer. Use them whenever the fuck we want. Halfway after halfway after halfway. There we go. But these will be good to go for the next, say a month. You'll be able to use them within a month, you know. Because you know, see if you don't peel them and everything else, just you've only got like fucking 4 days to eat the toys, you know. So it makes them last a lot longer. My God, this whole bag of toys only cost me fucking £1 odds, I think. Right, so we'll put the potato peelings. We're going to stick it in the fridge. We're going to try them later. And the air fryer. We're going to try them in the air fryer later on. Just stick them in here a little bit, you know, till we might use them. So make sure if put all your toys in, just put a wee tiny bit of water in. Not too much, right? Just enough to keep them moist in the freezer. Yeah, should be enough, right? Yeah, turn this off. Just get a wee, be sure that I've got a wee bit of water in them. You know, because that just gives a wee coat of, what you call ice at the top, you know. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Locked away. We'll do a carrots and onions later. We'll do the same. Just stick in. Right, let's go. I need to get space. After this, just stick in here. There we go, there's a space. There we go. And it'll last for ages. In there. Alright, so here we go. We're just waiting in the old deep fat fryer. Heat up. That's all heat up. Right. Just going to wait till this goes off. We'll stick this on too. Air fryer. We're going to try half and half and see what's better. Deep fat fryer or air fryer. What's going to taste better? So let's get some of these peelings on the air fryer. Because the deep fat fryer's heat up. See? Right, let's spread them right out. That'll be tray hang, you know. That'll be tray hang. There's about half in it. That's about half. Right, the other half's gone in the deep fat fryer. So this is what's gone in the air fryer. The air fryer. We'll see. We'll put it on 5 minutes. We'll see what that does. There we go. Right. It's 5 minutes for that, but we're going to do the timing too. So let's do the timing too, you know. Make it all fair, proper. All fair and proper. Right, so that's in. We're still waiting this preheating. So the air fryer is quicker. What temperature will we do it? We'll go up to 200, why not? And we'll do that for 5 minutes. We'll do it for 10 minutes. We'll see what it does. Right, so here we go. That's deep fat fryer. We'll see how this goes. And we've got air fryer here, still waiting to preheat. So that's taking a bit longer. Let's do a bit longer. We'll see. We'll see. I've never ate Thai peelings in my life. Never ate Thai peelings in my life, you know. So it's a whole new thing. Yeah, it's preheated. It's preheated. Right, so put the rest of them in there. Just get every single bit in there. For fuck's sake. A bit hard. Right, we'll put them in there. Right, so here we go. Oh, we'll need to turn the fan on. Turn the fan on, get all the steam out. There we go. One technology against another. There's one technology against another. Where's going to win? Where's going to win? There we put the lid on this. Just put the lid on there. Where's going to win? What is going to win? Deep fat fryer or air fryer? Deep fat fryer or air fryer? We will find the results in a minute. 5 minutes. So we're about halfway through the cooking time. There we are. How many minutes? For you? 6 minutes. And let's have a look at this. Let's do the that. Well, it's like it's already fried. These, look, they're already really black. I've never tasted this before. This will be a new thing. Let's see the light. Let's have a look. And they look like they're nice in there. They look like they're nice in there. Yes, they do. Right. Right, so let's keep an eye on these. These are looking like they're getting burnt. Deep fat fryers only made like 3 minutes or something. 3 minutes. 5 minutes for the chips. So let me go out for all the rest, you know. Who knows? We'll get a drink. We're going to get us another minute. I don't think it's going to do as long as deep fat fryer and the air fryer. The air fryer. For fuck's sake. You look at it, that's where all the heat's coming from. See up the top there? That's where all the heat comes from. That big bubble hang. These look like they're gone a bit brown now, a bit crisp, but not as crisp as these. Look at these. Deep fat fryer's done them a lot faster. Yeah, I think we're done with the deep fat fryer. Right, I think we're done with that. We're going to leave that, just drain. We're going to leave that, just drain. We're going to turn that off. Turn that off, because they're nearly burnt. You can't see with the lighting. The lighting's fucking terrible. Oops. Or if I strip me on my flare, look. Strip me on my flare. Fuck. It is well. I'll clean it up. There we go. It is tasty. Yeah, let's have a taste. Yeah, my first taste, fucking the peelings off the. They just taste like chips. Just taste like chips. Here we are. Right, so these are going brown now. Those brown, those bad as the other ones. So I think 10 minutes is probably right. I think 10 minutes is probably right for these. Yeah, we could probably turn off that extractor. Turn off that extractor too. We need for it. Because this is off now. Yes, I'll be here a shake. Seems alright. Let's get another wee taste. My pal was right. I shouldn't have just thrown away the peelings. That's quite nice. Excuse me. That says pretty fucking nice, Pat. Like 2 minutes ago, well, I'll do the tape when I put it out. Put the vinegar and salt on. There we go. That's the fryer done. The air fryer. You may give it a minute. Right. Oops. Dip that back in oil there. Dip that back in oil. Try to get it in the oil. Right. So here's our fried. There's our fried fucking shit. Right, let's get a bit of vinegar in that. I'm going to use this vinegar. I like this vinegar the best. Saracens vinegar. Dip a wee bit in that. Let's get that. I'll tell you what, I've never done this in my life. This is only a suggestion, I'm just trying it. With toy peelings, but I'm telling you, if I wasted a long time just throwing the toy peelings in the bin, all the years, all the absolute years, you know. Salt, sprinkle of salt. As this guy just tastes like chips. And the last bit that tasted just like chips, you know. Let's get on for. Oh, that's delightful. That's honestly delightful. I have been wasting peelings all these years. I've been wasting these beautiful peelings all these years. Maybe I had too much salt vinegar there. A bit overpowering, but that's delicious. Yeah, yes, this is nice. You know. Can imagine me putting this in a wee brown pack, saving it away for later. It's a winner. It's a winner. Let's get stuff in the air fryer. Oh, too hot, too hot to handle. A little oven glove required. Far too hot to handle. I nearly bumped me. There we go. Good oven glove. Let's put this back in. Look at that, hardly any cleaning. Cleaning needing done there. Actually came out like a square. We break it up. This is crisp. This is more crisp like Chris. Actually, totally different texture than the deep fat fryer. Totally different altogether. You can hear it and everything. Oh, this is just like Chris, isn't it? This is just like Chris. Put a wee bit of vinegar, just a wee splash of vinegar. Mix it all together. Wee splash of salt. Mix it all together. That's a totally different texture. The air fryer than doing it in the deep fat fryer. Totally different altogether. Let's taste it. I'm undecided. What the fuck's this? I'll tell you what, it's not that bad. You know, I think again, I've soaked in too much vinegar. I don't think I should have given that much vinegar, made it a bit soggy, you know. I'll tell you what, it's not that bad. See, if I had just shit, I was going to throw in the bin anyway. I'll try and develop this, you know. The captain will try to develop this. We do experiments and this. You know. Look exactly how much vinegar. It's all I need. Everything else, but it's definitely eatable. And beautiful. It's quite nice. There we go.